That me though. I ain't got no problem with what you do.
Hello my YouTubers, it's me, Cass, who, y'all, I am back with another mukbang. Today I will be doing some blue velvet cupcakes. So I'll move this out of the way just for a minute. As y'all see here, I have my cupcakes already lined with the cupcake liners. So as y'all see, I have them already lined up. So I'm putting this to the side. I'm gonna go ahead and preheat my oven to 350. While I get everything together. Okay, and now right here I have my dry ingredients. I went on ahead and put all my dry ingredients in here. So now I'm about to add my wet ingredients. I know I probably should showed y'all the steps, but you're going to add your flour, you're going to add sugar, your baking soda, baking powder, for your dry, and a little bit of pinch of salt for your dry ingredients. And I'll make sure I put all these ingredients in the description box below. And for your wet ingredients, you will add vanilla flavor, buttermilk, a little bit of cooking oil, and 3 eggs. So I have all 3 eggs right here. So you add 3 eggs. And I have blue food color here as well. So I'm gonna drop a couple of drops in those. I mean in the mix. And also have your mixer. This right here, what I have is a handheld mixer. If you have like a mixing bowl or one of the you know, mixing bowl machine, you can use that. It doesn't matter. So I'm gonna go ahead and add. I don't really measure my stuff out because I pretty much know everything by hand. So I'm just gonna add a little bit of vegetable oil, well, canola oil. So you wanna make sure it's moist. I'm going to add my 3 eggs. Make sure you do not get shells in the mix. If you think you're not a good egg cracker, you can just get like a small little bowl, like a sauce bowl, just big enough where the egg can fall in. And you can crack your egg in that, just to make sure you don't get no shell in the mix. But if you are good as I am cracking eggs, you don't have to worry about that. You're like a professional. A professional, shall I say. Alright, so I have my 3 eggs in there. Let me wash my hands. I don't want to cross-contaminate. Alright, so now I'm just going to add my well, first I'm gonna add my buttermilk. Shake, shake, shake. I'm adding my buttermilk. And once again, I'm just gonna eyeball how much. You always want to add, because if you put too much in there, you cannot take it out. So just add a little bit at a time until you mix it together. If it's too thick and it's not pourable, you want to add a little bit more. Here I have my blue food color. So I'm just gonna drop in there. I don't want it too blue, but I don't want it light blue. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and mix everything together. Okay, so as y'all see, everything is going everywhere. So I'm gonna have to stop. It'd be best to add like a cover on there. So now I can kind of mix. Okay. So I did make a mess, y'all. It's not a big problem. I can just clean up everything as I go. It's no biggie at all. So like I was saying, you want to add more in there. So what I'm going to do is try to combine this all together real quick with a spoon before mixing it, because my dry ingredients is going everywhere. So I'm just going to mix. As y'all see, the blue food coloring is starting to turn it kind of blue. I did have some dry food color as well in here, but I don't think you give it a dark blue. So I like be on the safe side. I just decided to have some liquid blue food coloring. So y'all see how thick it is. So you want to add more buttermilk in here. So that's what I'm going to do. And I'm going to mix it all together. And you want to just mix it until it becomes very smooth. And I think I want to add a little bit more food color in here, because I am doing 4th of July cupcake cake. So I want the blue to be kind of a dark blue. So you really want to just mix it until it becomes a smooth batter. So give me just a minute, everyone. All right. So now I'm just going to continue to mix with this spoon that I have here. So make sure you get the side of the mixing bowl very well. So you see how thick it is? Add more buttermilk. And once again, I think I'm going to add a little bit more food color, because I do want mine to be a blue. I want it to be close to that color. So, and that's why I was saying that the dry food color don't really help as well, like the liquid. Alright, and I'm just going to mix. By the way, you guys, make sure y'all hit that subscribe button below, the notification bell, like, comment, share this video. And if you have any question about making blue velvet or whatnot, just comment and I'll be sure to respond back. So you guys, I'm just mixing it, and like I said, you want the batter to be kind of pourable. So that's kind of, it's almost there. So I'm just gonna add a tad bit more of buttermilk. And also, y'all, by the way, I'm just now noticing that my hand is turning blue. As y'all see, I don't know if y'all can see that. My hand is turning blue from the dye. I wasn't thinking to put on gloves. So my tip to you guys is dealing with food color. I don't care if you're doing red velvet or blue velvet or even green velvet. Food color will dye your hands. So my recommendation is to put on gloves. If you're not too fun on your hand getting blue or turning whatever color, the food color. So it doesn't bother me. I mean, all you have to do is just wash your hand multiple times with soap and water, and it'll come right on off. Depending on how much you got on your hand. So it's no big deal, really. Alright, you guys, I have this already in the like thickness that I want it to be, as y'all see. So I'm just gonna go ahead and fill up my cupcakes liners. I'm gonna fill my cupcake liners on up. And I'm gonna put them in the oven. You want to put them in the oven on 350 for about 21 minutes. So this amount of batter right here make 24 cupcakes. I was planning on just doing 12 cupcakes, but I'm just gonna kind of play around. Just start out with 12 cupcakes, and whatever I have left, I just probably use that up. So I will be back with you guys once I fill these cupcake liners and put them in the oven. I'll be back with you guys after that. Alright, YouTube, here I have filled up my cupcake liners and they go in the oven, and I'll be back with you guys once they have baked to ice and decorate them. Alright, YouTube, I am back. I have taken my blue velvet cupcakes out the oven, as y'all can see. So I will be back with you guys when I get ready to decorate them. So I will prepare my icing and show you all how I will color my icing. So I'll be back with you guys shortly. Hi everyone, I am back. And I have my cupcakes here. So I'm going to transfer over the cupcakes into this box. This is the delivery box that I'm going to make the cupcakes in. So I'm going to go ahead and take them out the pan. And to remind you all that I am going to make a American flag cupcake cake. So that's what I'm going to do. Now I'm just going to place them in here, and I will arrange them how I want them to be before I decorate the cupcakes. And these are the blue velvet cupcakes. So I'm piping my white stripes. So it's okay if it's squiggly, because you know American flag you can do like you can do the squiggly American flag, or you can just do straight lines. Alright, here's my red. And we're going to go back and forth with the red. The red and white, so I'm coming back with the white. And if you want to, you can go ahead and pipe on the white stars. I think I'm going to do that last. Alright everyone, here's the finished product of my blue velvet cupcake cake. It's American flag that I did, as y'all see. My first time doing a American flag cupcake cake. So be sure that y'all place y'all orders. I also do cupcake ring shape for engagement, bridal shower. This is the 4th of July American flag cake. Just about any cake that you want, I can pretty much do. So there you have it. There you have it. The cupcake cake, American flag.